am Nashida Arendato, and this video shows a theory of behaviorism. Behaviorism in a way of reinforcement and punishment. And of course, reinforcement that has a positive and negative, as well as punishment which has a positive and negative. And this video will show the both sides, positive and negative. So let's go!
The principle of psychological behaviorism can be applied to the classroom to guide student behavior and learning. In this video, explore an overview of how behaviorism applies to teaching, including practical examples of reinforcement, punishments, and extinctions. In one classroom, there is a student named Nashida. Nashida is a problem student of Miss Ramos, her teacher. Nashida doesn't do a homework, always come to the class late, and doesn't pay attention on the class discussions. She always acts out in the class and refusing to follow the rules of the teachers. Her teacher Ramos is at his wits' end. How can she deal with Nashida? What shall she do? At that point, Miss Ramos thinks of an idea. With the psychological philosophy of behaviors, she thinks she can deal with the student Nashida, in which says that people's actions are driven by need to gain rewards to avoid punishment. In an early mid-20th century, behaviorism was the predominant theory of psychology. Behaviorists were interested only on the observal of behaviors. Let's take a look at how Miss Ramos applied behaviorism in her classroom, typically to Miss Nashida. Remember, behaviorists say that people learn through rewards and punishments. One day, when Nashida came, sit down quietly at her desk, and Miss Ramos gave her a piece of candy and a food, as well as a drinks. This food is meant to encourage Miss Nashida to do that more often, at least to come at school on time. Miss Nashida get encouraged. On the other hand, a punishment is meant to decrease the bad behavior. For example, what Miss Ramos did was she called the parents of Nashida and make Nashida tremble and discourage that her parents might know. That's a punishment to Miss Nashida to do her best on next time. But there is a positive and negative reinforcement and punishment. Positive doesn't mean it just means giving something or adding something. Negative means taking away something. Positive reinforcement. This includes giving awards or something to the efforts of the students. If Nashida come on time, Miss Ramos gave him a little rewards for encouragement. Positive means giving something. On the other hand, if Nashida doesn't do her homework or assignments, Miss Ramos can drop the lowest grades. That means she's taking away something that she doesn't want to reinforce a good behavior. That's a negative reinforcement, taking away something that doesn't want. Proceed to punishment. Positive is one that involves giving the student something that he or she does not want. For example, Miss Ramos gave a detentions for failing to follow the class rules. She's giving her something she doesn't want, which is the detentions, to punish her bad behaviors. In that way, a positive means giving a thing that she doesn't want. Negative punishments, on the other hand, the last one, the negative punishment, means taking away something that the student does want. For example, Miss Ramos banned Nasida from going on a school field trip because she doesn't obey the rules. That means a negative punishment or taking away the something that she wants. So that's for the behaviorism, which is the reinforcement and punishments, in which reinforcements there is a positive and negative reinforcement, as well as the punishment have also a positive and negative punishment. Does this behaviorism affect to Miss Nasida in controlling her students? If you have a student that's hard to deal with, you can try out on this theory. And that's all for the theory of behaviorism. Hope you've learned something. Thank you for watching.